two Jjjjound Reebok boxes. What can we do? Two different shoes. Let's see which one I decide to go with. Hey everyone, what's up and welcome back to my channel, ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. If you're new to my channel, do not forget to hit that subscribe button as well as give this unboxing and review a thumbs up at the end if you enjoyed it. And feel free to leave me any comments or questions below if you have any questions after the video is over. Do not forget to hit that notification bell as we do have a ton of upcoming content that we do not want you to miss out on. And as you've probably already seen my membership video, again, we do have that new click button to join and become a Shade Gang member. So do not forget to click that button if you are in need of more content and you're just not getting enough, or if you just want to have a little bit of that Shade Gang swag with some new upgraded features as far as Discord, or you just want to have some of our badges that we've created for the members. So be sure again to hit up that join link so that you can see all of our different membership options that we have for you. As well as do not forget, we've got a ton of merchandise that we are going to have up and loaded. So I would love for you guys to go to that store and check out all of our new and updated items that we have for the Shade community. All right, you guys. So again, you probably saw those two boxes and are wondering, why does she have two Jjjjound Reebok boxes? Well, that's because I have two silhouettes. The silhouette I picked to do for this video today is none other than the Club C tennis shoe, which is a classic silhouette that was designed in 1985. I'm absolutely obsessed with Justin Saunders and his minimalistic approach in his collaborations, and I think that he has just done a wonderful job with all of his recent collaborations. So I am so excited to be able to do an overview to start with on this beautiful shoe he did a collab with for Reebok. Then we're going to discuss sizing on the specific silhouette. Then we're going to jump into how I was able to style this shoe. It was so much fun because this basically goes with everything and anything. And then I want to conclude with how this shoe is specifically doing on the resale market. All right, let's get into this overview, talk about what's going on with this shoe as far as the colors go. This is just a very simplistic shoe, and for those of you again who don't know that much about Justin Saunders, go back, check out my New Balance shoe video I did for that collab, and I go more in depth on who he is. But just for a little refresher for those of you who don't know who he is a Montreal-based designer, started out with a mood board, and that kind of just grew into him creating these simplistic, minimalistic tote bags and just simple socks and t-shirts that just kind of flew off the shelves. So now we are starting to see him just kind of rise to the top as far as collabs he's done. I mean, they have been known to sell out quickly as well as have high resale on the market depending on who he has ended up collabing with. His Vans was one of his most highly sought after shoes with the skid grips, and definitely a shoe I wish I would have copped back when he launched it, because I think that shoe is going in the 1,000 mark range, which is pretty crazy. So now let's talk about this specific Club C silhouette. Let's start with the terry cloth, which is definitely one of my favorite parts of this shoe. It is so soft. The terry cloth is on the inside of that tongue as well as the insole of that shoe. And it's definitely in this beautiful, just nice beige colorway that you know, really is well suited to pair with the white coloring of this just exquisite tumbled white leather. This white leather is so soft on the toe box, as well as the medial and lateral side of the shoe. We see more of that tumbled leather throughout, and it goes back into that heel. Then we've just got this beautiful simplistic white midsole, and we've got this eggshell colored tongue on the front, matched with some simple, just plain white laces. And then we've got just an additional pair of laces, which I do love that they give you this beige option, because a lot of beige tones I feel like go well just because of the slight beiges that we're seeing throughout the shoe here on the sides of that heel, as well as a little beige on that Jjjjound branding on the side there. One thing I do love about the Jjjjound Reebok collabs is that there's actually no Reebok branding anywhere on this shoe except for the bottom of that outsole and that beige coloring scheme. They've just kept it very minimalistic, which I feel like Justin Saunders in general is a very minimalist type of designer, so anything that I've really seen him come out with is very simple when it comes to the coloring schemes, but very neutral in tones. So I definitely love the fact that this is just a very minimalistic coloring scheme on this classic silhouette that came out in 1985. Though I know it is a tennis shoe, I do feel like this is a great walking shoe. I've walked around in it and it's extremely comfortable. Definitely feel like I could put some mileage on these bad boys. So this is definitely a shoe. If you're not playing tennis, I wouldn't deter you from getting this just because you're not a tennis player, because I do think this is a great shoe that will go with some great casual looks. All right, so now let's talk about sizing. So I actually stuck with a size 7 in this specific Club C silhouette, and I feel like it fits me to a T. I could have honestly gone up to my normal size of a 7.5 with a little bit of room to spare, but as far as this goes, I feel like for this shoe, I'm definitely gonna be wearing thinner socks, so I don't mind having not a lot of extra space in there. So for those of you who don't know my shoe type, my foot type, I have narrow, skinny feet with high arches. So again, that will reflect on what sizing works best for you, depending on if you're flat-footed or have wide feet. That may change. All right, so now let's jump into styling, talk about how I style these shoes. Of course, I didn't have any issue styling them just because I feel like these definitely, again, go with so much. So first up, I chose a look with some Zara pieces. I am very in love with this new kind of trend of these sweater vests. And I found this knitted kind of beige toned vest, which I think goes great with the beiges that come off in the shoe. I then layered that with more of kind of a cream-ish button-down blouse, which obviously there's eggshells and cream colors in the shoe, so I think that that blouse just went perfectly. And I paired it with just a light denim cropped jean. And light denim, I think, just goes great with all of the white tones that are coming off of this, including the beiges. So a little bit more of a preppy look, but definitely something that we are going to see a lot of in the fall trend season, as well as the winter.
I don't think I know anymore. Tell me there's a reason. Was there ever anything more? Have I been afraid to find what I've been looking for? It's all a state of mind. I didn't know that everything was broken by design. How beautiful. It's taking me so long to realize. It's
so for the second look, I decided to go with a more athletic look because, hey, maybe you are a tennis player and you're looking for a new tennis shoe. Well, here you have it. I decided to go with some more vibrant colors just because I feel like you're able to wear lots of vibrant colors with this because this is so neutral. It goes with pretty much anything. For this, I went with more of a tie-dyed pattern legging that's in a yoga pant, and I paired that with just a matching kind of blue colored tank top sports bra. And I feel like the blues just really popped well with this. This kind of took the backdrop, but it just definitely flowed very well with the coloring scheme there. And for the last and final look, kind of went a little preppier with that pleated kind of metallic skirt. We are getting into the holiday season. I know you guys are seeing holiday stuff throughout the malls already. I know they've already got those Christmas trees out. So I don't know, I'm kind of like in the holiday spirit early, I feel like. But definitely metallics, I feel like are up on the rise, coming back again for this holiday season. So I wanted to give you guys just a different option for what I see coming in the fashion trends for the next few months. And I do love that that metallic skirt has, again, like these kind of beige silvery tones to it, which I think really pulled off the beige tones in this shoe. I then paired that with just a simple cream eggshell toned tank top, and then layered that with a Zara just simple plaid kind of denim, or plaid denim, a plaid blazer on top of that. And of course, I wore my Supreme Gore-Tex hat, which it's got just that beautiful kind of simple beige cream tones in it with that nice, you know, simple white embroiderment of that S that I think really worked well with the coloring scheme in this shoe too.
I don't need a fancy watch. You can give the elves a break. No, you can't make it in the shop. You can't put it on your sleigh. You know me so well that nobody else can do what you do. I just wanna fall in love this Christmas. I just wanna fall in love. The wrapping paper, your ribbon and bow. I don't need that extra stuff. Oh, I just wanna fall in love. Santa, I've been good this year. Make your list and check it twice.
All right, you guys, so let me know at the end of the video what was your favorite outfit, as well as how would you style these shoes if you were to purchase them. All right, so now let's quickly conclude with how these shoes are doing on the resale market. All right, so I purchased these for $125, which was what they retailed for. Currently, for the resale market, they're actually going for a decent, you know, price point for a little extra change to be made. So depending on what size, obviously, looks like the smaller sizes are doing a bit better, but then there's like this random size that's doing extremely well. So on the lower tier, a 5.5 is going for around $249, and an 8.5 is going around $404. So for an affordable shoe like this, that's not so bad. As well as depending on what size you got, I don't think you're going to be paying that insane amount if you are bummed that you didn't get these. All right, you guys, thank you so much again for tuning into my channel. Again, if you're new, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, as well as if you've been a part of this channel, don't forget to join and become a member, because we have so many additional perks that we've added for you as a reward for being such good supporters. And do not forget to leave me any comments or questions as well on this specific review. And as always, hit that notification bell, because we do want to alert you as soon as we have any new and upcoming content. And as always, give us a thumbs up at the end if you enjoyed this video. All right, you guys, again, thank you so much for tuning in. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you on the next video.